JD 26 here, just do tips, repairs, and hobbies. And I just want to show you a quick iPhone hack, so to speak, to find your flashlight. And a lot of times you need your flashlight at night. So here's your phone, and all you do is you swipe diagonally across like that, okay? And then you can find all those different icons there. The flashlight is in there. Hit the flashlight, leave it on that screen, go where you have to need to go, and then turn the flashlight off, and then just flip up like that, and you're back to your regular screen. So that's what I'm going to show you today. I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.